Good evening, everybody. This is Todd from Todd and Karen's Backyard Coops and Gardens, coming to you live from the big coop late in the evening. It's been a busy day in the greenhouse. Last Friday, it got really cold, so I turned the heater on in the greenhouse. And the next day, my wife wasn't home till about 3 in the afternoon, and it was on full blast, and it fried all my tomatoes and peppers, and didn't bother the cucumbers and horseradish and broccoli. It didn't bother it, but it killed the basil, tomatoes and peppers. I had a lot of tomatoes and peppers, so had to start over. That's what I've been doing all day today, reseeding. Tonight's probably the last night I'll run the heater. It's supposed to get down to 27. After that, it should be in the 30s. But main thing I'll have to watch, it don't take much sunlight at all. It runs that greenhouse up to 100 degrees, so I have to make sure I get the windows open and all that as the sun comes up, so it don't get too hot. Like to keep it between 50 and 85 at the most. So that's what I've been doing all day today. Got all my tomatoes reseeded again and all that, so hopefully that'll all work out. My mom gave me some old bread that got stale on her, so I give it to the chickens. There was about 3 or 4 of them out here, and about half of them's come off the roost, come down and check to see what everything's all about. So that's what I've been doing today, and that's where we're at. Hopefully tomorrow I'll sow some the basil back and try to get it started. I planted Cherokee purple tomatoes, black cherry grape tomatoes, Dave's Atomic grape tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes, and my Uncle Orndine's Hawaiian beefsteak tomatoes, seed that's been handed down from generation to generation. So yeah, I planted my Scotch bonnets back, some jalapenos, some more bell peppers, so hopefully I can get that up and get it raised before mid-April. Hopefully, learning curve for me. This is my first time doing seeds other than like doing just planting the cucumbers in the garden and the squash. That's pretty easy. I've never planted tomatoes or peppers or basil and stuff like that, so it's all a learning curve right now. It was heartbreaking. My tomatoes and peppers look beautiful. It's about 3 or 4 inches tall, just starting to get their true leaves. Oh, that was a bad day unzipping that greenhouse and looking in there. But could be worse. Could have had not time to plant everything again. I'm trying to figure out if that's going to be a rooster or a hen. The tail feathers say rooster, but the cone says hen. But I also never seen a hen that's that pretty different colors. Usually when they're marked like that, it's a rooster for sure. So I don't know. I got another one over in the other coop. What do y'all think? Who's rooster or hen? It looks like a Coach and Silky mix. I love them little Coachins. They're beautiful. There's one of them. So that's where we're at with Todd and Karen's backyard coops and gardens. As always, may your gardens grow and your chickens be happy. God bless everybody.